Hello everybody and welcome to Easy Trick App channel, and in this video we're going to be learning how to add motion blur in Adobe Premiere Pro. So let's get started. You can follow the step-by-step guide to do so. Now you can see on my timeline I have a couple of clips imported and I have applied this little scaling effect on these, but these don't look really smooth, so I'm going to be adding some motion blur on it. To do so, you simply need to select your clip on your timeline and then head over to your effects and search in here for direction blur. You can see we have directional blur in here. You simply need to drag and drop it onto your clip, and then you need to head over to your effect controls. In here you can see we have some, let me just minimize this motion menu, and you can see we have directional blur option, so we can simply increase the blur length and you'll be able to see that our motion blur is added. You can add keyframes as well, so it just starts from the beginning and ends on our second clip. So you can simply copy this effect from here and apply it on your second clip as well, and now you will be able to see that when you play our video, the motion blur is now added onto our video. So that's how you can add motion blur in Adobe Premiere Pro, and I really hope you liked the video and learned something new. If you did so, make sure to subscribe to the channel, like the video and share with your friends. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.